White Squirrel here. So I've had piles of brass laying around the garage in different spots all over the place. I never gotten around to melting them because there's always something more convenient to melt. I always had to clean these and I was procrastinating. So I figured now's the time to clean them. I'm going to melt them and try to make shot out of them so that I can just measure small amounts when I have smaller projects needing brass, like let's say forging rivets or collars. So no more excuses. Let's get melting. Here it is. Brass melted and poured into shot. This is the perfect size to measure out if you need just a small amount or a very precise amount. So this will be perfect on projects where you just need to measure a little bit. I think I'm going to start doing this with some aluminum and some copper. So when I make my aluminum bronze, it'll be that much easier to measure out precise amounts. I just need to find a place to store all this. And it's that easy to measure out 1 pound exact.